Good afternoon, everybody. This is Nate Green over at Bullion RV, and today I have a brand new 2024 Grand Design Solitude 370DV fifth wheel. Just got this in. It's been here for about 2 days. It's in the shop today being cleaned up and ready to go for sale. But I wanted to go over some of the exterior features, some of the interior features, and I just wanted to get some opinions in the comments below. That being said, let's get started. Coming around to the front here, you see our large Solitude cap here with our LED lights. There's that 370DV model code. We do have another LED light bar down below. There's the attachment for your fifth wheel. Hopefully the GoPro can pick this up. There we go. So when you're coming down here, you do have storage, and then you do have your battery boxes down here as well. Batteries are included at the time of purchase, but you do have an auto light that comes on. So if you are looking for something down here, you need to do something electronically, that light will always come on. So I'm going to take a step back here. This is where your propane is going to go. And then right in this large pass through here, you're going to have a lot of storage. And then right off to the side here, you're going to have your tire pressure and temperature monitoring system. A really cool feature to have on this. But just a lot of storage down here. You do have cable and satellite hookups here next to this light, GVWR outlets, and then of course you do have your road vac sitting down here as well, power cord. You can have your spray port here, more GVWR outlets here. You do have LED light strips down below, and since I am down here and I do have a little bit more light, hopefully the GoPro can pick it up, you do have your enclosed underbelly here, and you do have your electronic jacks. This is a dual axle. And then take another step back here, quad steps. I don't have it out right now, but you do have dual awnings going all the way across. Large LED light strip up above there as well. Moving around to the back. We'll get a side view here of the slide. That's going to be a portion of your living room there, but more on that once we get on the inside. You do have a hitch on this as well. Ladder to get up on the roof so you have time to clean and get stuff off of the roof there. And then this does have your backup camera prep system all the way up at the top there. And here's that secondary slide. I'm going to take a step back here so we could see the other side of the fifth wheel here all opened up. Very nice. I can't wait to show you guys the inside. So let's move on down. 50 amp service right here. We're going to have our hot water heater and our furnace right here. And here's the other door to that large pass-through storage here that I was just talking about. And you do have your outdoor shower and your water controls here, more pass-through. You do have more GVWR outlets here. And then there's that hose for you there and all of your attachments. Very nice to have. This is very nice, neat, and organized. But let's move through. And then sorry if it's a little bit loud. Like I said, I'm in the shop today, so let's continue on. Oh, and one other thing I wanted to mention, I really like this here, and I'm underneath the slide, but you do have these blue LED lights that'll project down on the ground, so very nice feature to have at nighttime. Just give the camper a little bit more personality. But let's head on to the inside. Like I said, quad steps here, large grab handle to get in here. Little things on the side here. You do have your WeatherTech Arctic insulation protection. Let's head on in. First thing right off the bat, always safety. You do have your fire extinguisher here, but with these slides opened up, look at how beautiful this is. Absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to come over to the side here. We're going to look at, we're going to start with the table. We're going to work our way around, and we'll end off with the bedroom here. So first thing I always like to go over here, and you've heard me say it in a lot of my videos now, but Grand Design is very good with their build quality here. So I just want to hover over some of this information. Definitely feel free to pause the video, get a little bit more information. Hopefully the GoPro picks this up here. There's the Arctic insulation package I was actually just talking about there. Information on this will also be in the description box below, but I always like to cover that so you know that you're getting peace of mind, and I'm happy to cover this in person as well. We're going to see our couch here, and what's really nice about the couch is I'm going to sit down, I can just press a button here, and you can see I got a power couch. Right across from me I do have my TV hookups, which, well, I'm sorry, not TV hookups, but TV, but I'll cover that in just a brief moment here. You do have that large fireplace, but again, really comfortable couch here. It's all power. Moving back up here, you're going to have a lot of GFCI outlets and charging devices scattered throughout this unit here as well, much like on the couch here. And then this couch actually folds down into a bed. A little bit harder to do that with just one person being me and the GoPro. But let's look into storage because we're going to have a lot of it. Large amounts of storage to fit anything that you might need. Just large cupboards here. Very well built. And of course you do have your shades, your blackout shades for, you know, those movie nights where you want to darken everything. Exit windows here. There's that ladder outside that I mentioned earlier. But I'm going to pop back around. Again, we'll see the kitchen, large center island. I can't wait to go over that. Beautiful fireplace. And then right here is actually our TV. But where's the button for that, Nate? Why can't I get this up? Because you actually open up this cupboard here, you'll have your radio controls along with your Bluetooth. You'll have a charging port there, but you'll also see here your TV lift. So by pressing that button, here comes our TV. Now that does come up all the way, but I'm going to put that back down just so a bulk of the video isn't going to be the TV raising. But if you just want to put it away for the night, you just hit the down arrow. And now you can use this as counter space. Moving on to a little bit more storage coming down here. So you do have more hookups here and more outlets right here, but lots of storage to work with. Moving down. Pull out drawers. Make things very easy when you're cooking, so you can store just about anything here. We do have our 4-burner cooktop here as well. Large oven. And we do have our microwave right here at eye level. More storage up above. It's not a pull-out, so I don't want that to fall on me, but more storage there. Plenty of storage here. But this combined with, I know you don't have the glass cover that comes over this, but you have a lot of room going across. But even so, if you needed more, like I said, large center island here, large stainless steel sink. And then, of course, I'm going to go over some of the storage in here. More GFCI outlets here. And you do have bright LED lights down below running on the floor, so easy to see something if you dropped it or if you made a spill on the floor. More storage in here. Put these away here. And you do have one of these, and I'm not going to do it because I can already see it was done. You know, I pressed on one of these before and the water went spraying everywhere because I didn't have a glass. I didn't know what it was at the time. But you do have a glass rinser here, so you just place the glass on, and then that'll rinse that off for you here as well. And you do have your appropriate hand soap dispensers here as well. But A lot of room to work with here. And one other thing that I wanted to mention is this unit is actually dishwasher prepped. So Grand Design really thought of everything in this unit, but I'll cover another unique feature once we get into the bedroom, just so you have that peace of mind knowing that you are getting everything. So, one final view here. And now let's look at our massive fridge here. I mean, look at that. Plenty of room to work with. And then there's, much like in some of the other videos here, here's that Grand Design guarantee. Hovering over some of that as well. I'm going a little bit faster here just because I know the video is getting a little bit long, but I promise everybody here we are almost done. But definitely feel free to pause the video, get a little bit more information on this type of product so you know you're getting your peace of mind. I mean, it is just a great, well thought out product. Moving down to our freezer section here. Easily pops out with just a press of a button here. Coming into the pantry. So much room in here for just about anything. And this does come with TravelFi Wi-Fi, but you do have to call and activate that on your own. But nice to come with it. More storage up above. Even for storing taller items, I mean, I'm reaching my hand all the way up, and I still have plenty of room to work with for storing taller items if I wanted to up there. Now, one other thing, since I am kind of facing the camera up here, you do have air conditioner number 1, all the way down at the back here, air conditioner number 2, and since I am going a little out of order here, just because I'm going a little bit quicker, you do have an enhanced sound system on this unit, which I really like. But moving back on down, a little bit more storage here, so you can have your, waffle maker, coffee pot, whatever you might need up here. Coffee cups, napkins, anything else you might want to put in here. But I can't tell you how much storage there is on this. I mean, it's just an unbelievable amount. Even if you had all of the stuff put away, I feel like anyone would still have more room to work with for storage. We do have our climate control here, our room temperature. Moving on up to the bathroom here. But first, I'm sorry, we're in the bathroom. Let's take a left and head on in. Right off to my left here, more storage for towels, washcloths, anything, you name it. You and the wife both have your own sink, you and your partner, friends, family. You got a lot of room to work with here, lots of outlets in here. You have a large mirror, and of course you do have my beautiful face in there as well. Small little medicine cabinet, but you can make them work on both sides here. Storage down below the sink. Cleaning products, whatever you might need. Storage here. Large storage here, and then just on the other side, sorry for the loud noise, more storage down below. Coming on over, porcelain toilet. And then of course, obviously, no sit test required on this one because you have so much room to work with in this bathroom. And then you do have your towel hangers up here as well. But one thing I really wanted to touch on is this shower. Look at this. Multiple angles for that water to come out. Just gonna be a relaxing time. Plenty of storage in here as well. You can sit down and enjoy. You just have so much room to work with. I mean, I'm 6, again, I've mentioned in 1,000 other videos, I'm 6'1", and I can move back and forth in here with no problem. I have plenty of headroom up here. I have room. Then of course, if you want to sit down like I mentioned. But moving on into the bedroom. We'll get a full view here. There's AC number 3. We do have our room temperature controls here as well. We do have our device charging outlets along with GFCI outlets there as well. Large bed, and then beneath that, You've got plenty of storage down below. I emphasize the word storage a lot in this video already, but there's just so much and more to be found. Storage underneath the bed again. And then you do have your TV already hooked up here as well. Exit windows right here. Storage down below. And then, like I mentioned, the kitchen was dishwasher prepped. Now, when we go into this closet right here, more GSI outlets, you actually are prepped for washer and dryer here as well. So you really do have everything to make a camping trip fully functional. Even if you didn't have the dishwasher or the washer and dryer, you still have a lot of amenities, but you do have more if you wish to add them. But if you don't want the not the dishwasher, but the washer and dryer, you can use this closet space as storage. I mean, you just have a lot of room to work with here. I really like that. And then you come into the closet here, more room for just about anything. Your shirts, your suits, your shoes, your jewelry, anything that you can think of. You just have a lot of room to work with, and then you have a little bit more storage off to the left when you walk in here. And then even if you wanted to add some stuff down here, you have that for phones or smaller items. But I really like the layout of this bedroom too. So we'll do one more look around. I'm going to head over to the back here. Just do one final pan of the bedroom. If it looks small in the video, I assure you, you have plenty of room to walk around in here. No one's going to be bumping into each other or anything like that. So we'll do one pan around again. I want to get another view of this bathroom and then living area for you guys here. My words don't do it justice. It's phenomenal in here. And then since I'm up from the top here, one large view of that living space. Like I said, that is a bed that folds down. Large center island, lots of counter space, lots of storage, lots of food and freezer space here. And then just everything in a nutshell combined. It is a phenomenal fifth wheel. So I've made a long enough video enough for you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts, questions in the comments down below. Make sure you smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm one of the newer sales associates here, so I'm getting better every day. My name's Nate Green from Bullion RV. If you have any questions for me or would like to schedule an appointment to view this fifth wheel, all my information is gonna be in the box down below. I'm sorry, the description box down below. But in the meantime, my number is 218-740-4965. I hope you like this video. Like I said, smash that like button. It lets people know that you're interested, lets the video get out there a little bit more. But I've taken up enough of your time. Everyone have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.